Hello everyone. Hello, I'm back. It's been some time. It's been a couple of days. I'm back. I'm finally back. Okay. Everybody shut up now. Alright. I don't know what the freak is wrong with me, but I am back after 3 days, 4 days, maybe 5 days. I don't remember. Yeah, shout out to my boy KJ. If you're watching this video, hey, I'll be on later on today, bruh. Alright, I'll go Fortnite later on today. But, anyways, without further ado, let's get back into some Geometry Dash. Yeah. Jumper, yippee. I love this stupid level. Broke my neck doing that there. Stupid. All I need you guys to do is channel your energy through this game. I promise you, if you do that, oh God, this is gonna take some freaking time. Yeah. Yeah. Hicks, no, heck no, N-O, no. I believe my icons are okay. Oh yeah, I remember police like. Oh yeah, I made this level. Jesus, this thing is loud. I don't know why I put that there. Yeah, I think I could have put a little more quality into this level than instead of some newbie stuff. But hey, that's my level. So this is some of these map packs, alpha pack. Alright, it's a long level. Hey, 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 yeah, hey, 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 okay, shut up. Stop watching me. Oh my God. Can you make this single spot? Okay, I swear to gosh, I'm not doing this. Okay. My God. My game is so freaking laggy. I don't know if you guys can see the lag, but I sure can. Okay. Oh man, I missed the coin. Whatever, it's alright. I don't need the coin. Sometimes I wish I had face cam on. I think in my next video I'll have it on. I don't know. If I don't, then I probably won't have it on for the rest of my videos. And if I do decide to have face cam, then I don't know. I need 100K subs, and then I'll. The highest amount of subs I have right now is 4, maybe 5. Then I'll do face cam. I swear by the end of this video, I will have a level beaten. I don't care what it is. Cause I didn't think in my last video I beat any levels, did I? Oh, I forgot about this. Forgot about that thing. I already played this level like a million times. I forgot about that. I don't think I played Dark Paradise. And thank you to the people that are making these levels. Hey. Okay. 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 Yeah. Yeah. What is up with the dying today? What's up with the crashing? Come on, now. And I ain't talking about Crash Bandicoot. That was cringe as freak. Okay. Yeah, I don't think I knew that song. I mean, I know this song. I've heard this song so many times. Beep, doop, doop, doop. Beep, doop. Beep. Alright, I want to go after the coin this time. I don't know how to go. I don't know how to get that coin. But I don't need the coin. Why do I keep dying there? Is it because I'm trash? Okay. How can I jump over all these other single spikes, but I can't jump out? Okay. Oh my god, I thought I died by those. I thought I would die by those. What is wrong with what's wrong with me? Play right, fool. Reach Ray. Oh yeah, got down with the stupid song. That'll be one. What? Oh. Okay. Oh, I know this. Okay, my screen's not working. Okay. I know the song. There's a coin up here. Right there, there's the coin. Let me get that coin. That was right, wasn't I? What in the freak is this? You're so very much welcome, my friend. What are those? What are those? What are those? What are those? Remind me later. Is this a... Oh my gosh. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's what. Yeah, I got 3 coins. Alright, let's get it. I ain't heard this part of the song before, but I've heard the song. Yeah, okay. I'm about to get beat. Okay. So I beat 1 level. I think first attempt. No, not first attempt. I didn't think so either. Well, anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll try to upload again tomorrow, maybe tonight. So, yeah. Have a great day. Bye. But bye, yeah. I don't know what the freak is wrong with me, but bye.